Hello, this is Hensi Thakkar and you're welcome to the CSR Journal's Evening Bulletin. US President Donald Trump has backed off from imposing tariffs on European allies after claiming progress on a deal linked to Greenland. In a post on Truth Social, Trump said the tariffs due to take effect on February 1st will not go ahead following what he called a very productive meeting with NATO Secretary General Mark Rutte. Trump said a framework had been reached covering Greenland and the wider Arctic region, though no details were shared. Speaking earlier in Davos, he ruled out using force but pressed for immediate negotiations with Denmark. Operation Trashy 1 has entered its fourth day in Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar district, with security forces intensifying the hunt for terrorists hiding in dense forest areas. Officials said additional troops were deployed to strengthen the cordon and block escape routes in Chatru Belt. The operation was launched after intelligence inputs on terrorist presence and follows an ambush that left 8 soldiers injured, with one Special Forces commando later succumbing to wounds. Security has also been tightened across several districts ahead of Republic Day. Bangladesh are facing a possible exit from the T20 World Cup after the International Cricket Council rejected their request to shift matches out of India. The ICC said all security assessments found no credible threat to players or fans and warned that changing venues would undermine the integrity of future tournaments. The Bangladesh Cricket Board has been given one more day to confirm participation. If Bangladesh pulls out, Scotland are expected to replace them in the group stage. 10 army personnel were killed after a military vehicle plunged into a deep gorge in Jammu and Kashmir's Doda district on Thursday. The vehicle carrying 17 soldiers skidded off the road near Khani Top on the Bhadarwa Chamba estate route while heading towards high altitude area. A joint rescue operation by the army and police was launched immediately. Officials said 4 soldiers were found dead at the site while 6 others later succumbed to their injuries. Several personnel were also reported injured. The Supreme Court of India has allowed Hindu prayers from sunrise to sunset on Basant Panchami at the disputed Bhotshala Kamal Maula Mosque. Muslims will be permitted to offer namaz between 1 and 3 in the afternoon on the same day. The court has also directed that a list of people attending namaz be submitted to the district administration. Both Hindu and Muslim groups had sought permission for religious activities at the site, as Basant Panchami coincides with the Friday prayers. That's all for this episode of Evening Bulletin. Follow the CSR Journal for more such updates.